In 2017, astronomers witnessed something that defied every law they thought they understood. A long, cigar-shaped object, unlike any comet or asteroid ever seen, entered our solar system from the vastness of interstellar space. It moved fast, too fast. Its path was hyperbolic, meaning it wasn't bound by the sun's gravity. It had come from somewhere else entirely. They named it Oumuamua, meaning, a messenger from afar arriving first, in Hawaiian. But what it really was, no one could agree on. At first, scientists believed it was just another wandering space rock. Yet, the more they studied it, the stranger it became. It had no cometary tail, no trace of gas or dust. Its shape was bizarre, long, flat, and metallic-looking, reflecting light in unusual patterns. And most disturbingly, it accelerated as it left the solar system, as if being pushed by something unseen. No natural explanation fit the data. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb made a bold claim. Oumuamua, he said, might not be natural at all. It could be a piece of alien technology, perhaps a probe sent intentionally to study Earth or the inner planets. The scientific community was divided. Some called it sensationalism. Others admitted, quietly, that they had no better explanation. Oumuamua left our solar system just as mysteriously as it came, vanishing into the cold darkness beyond Neptune, leaving behind a haunting question: who sent it, and why? For years, the mystery lingered. Then, in late 2025, something unthinkable happened. Telescopes in Chile and Hawaii picked up new anomalies moving toward the inner solar system, fast-moving, elongated objects with eerily similar trajectories to Oumuamua. Within weeks, data confirmed the impossible: Oumuamua had returned. And it wasn't alone. At least 4 identical objects were approaching from the same direction, moving in perfect synchronization. This time, the world was ready. NASA, ESA, and private observatories across the globe turned their instruments toward the approaching visitors. The objects entered at incredible speeds, over 80 kilometers per second, then slowed down as they neared the orbit of Mars. No natural force could explain such controlled deceleration. Spectrographic analysis revealed surfaces that reflected light like polished metal, not rock. And in a moment that sent shockwaves through the scientific world, one of the objects emitted a narrowband radio signal, coherent, structured, repeating every 61 seconds. Elon Musk called it the most important discovery in human history. SpaceX diverted resources from Mars operations to help monitor the signal. SETI scientists decoded fragments suggesting a pattern, mathematical primes embedded in harmonic frequencies. It wasn't random. Someone, or something, was speaking. The objects formed a formation near the asteroid belt, maintaining an exact triangular pattern. They emitted faint electromagnetic pulses, synchronized like a heartbeat. Observatories in Japan and France detected microfluctuations in the surrounding magnetic field, as if the objects were generating a localized energy bubble, something beyond known propulsion. The strange fleet drifted for days, perfectly still. Then one object broke formation and began moving toward the inner solar system, straight toward the Sun. Its course would take it past Mercury, where the Parker Solar Probe captured faint visual data, an elongated metallic body glowing faintly, rotating with deliberate precision. As it neared the Sun, the object didn't melt or fragment. Instead, it accelerated, hard, shooting back into deep space at over 300 kilometers per second. No one could explain it. Not even Avi Loeb. He suggested that the objects might be autonomous probes, powered by light sails, ancient technology designed to use starlight for travel. If true, then they could be millions of years old, remnants of a civilization long gone, still fulfilling their mission across galaxies. But then came the strangest twist. As the remaining objects drifted near Mars, NASA's Perseverance rover detected an unexplained fluctuation in the Martian ionosphere, tiny electrical pulses, matching the rhythm of the radio signal Earth had received earlier. For 2 minutes, Mars seemed to glow faintly in infrared, like something beneath the surface was awakening. The objects, one by one, began to fade from radar. They didn't leave, they simply vanished. No debris. No trace. Only silence. Yet, deep space telescopes still registered a faint gravitational ripple moving outward, as if something massive had slipped beyond normal space. Scientists are calling it the greatest mystery since the dawn of astronomy. Were these machines explorers, messengers, or something else entirely? Did they come to observe, or to remind us that we're not alone? As the data continues to pour in, one truth remains. Oumuamua was never a random visitor. It was a signal, a warning, or perhaps an invitation. And whatever sent it has just reminded us, they never really left.